In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a project management system in Notion. This tutorial will walk you through creating a clean and organized system to plan projects, track tasks, and monitor progress all in one place. One of the biggest advantages of using Notion is that it makes building project management systems simple with ready-made templates. These templates save time and help ensure your system is structured, scalable, and easy for your team to use without starting from scratch. To get started, log into your Notion account and go to your homepage. From there, click Marketplace. In the search bar, type Project Management, and you'll see a variety of templates designed to help you get started quickly. Depending on your needs, you might find templates for task management, agile boards, or full project tracking systems. Take a moment to browse the options and choose the template that best fits your workflow and team size. Once you find a template that works for you, click the template thumbnail to preview it. Previewing the template lets you see the layout, the databases included, and how tasks and projects are organized. This step is important because it ensures the template covers key elements, like project timelines, task statuses, assignees, due dates, and priority levels. After confirming that the template meets your needs, click Add. You can add it to your personal workspace or a shared workspace, so your team can collaborate in real time. After the template has been added, click on it to open it in Notion. Here you can customize the project management system to match your team's workflow. You can edit project views, add or remove properties, create new boards or timelines, and adjust task statuses to fit how your team works. The main benefit of using a template is that it gives you a ready-made structure so you can focus on managing projects instead of building the system from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully built a project management system in Notion using a template, making it easy to track progress, stay organized, and keep your team aligned. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.